Are you tired of spending a fortune on fuel for your boat? Do you want to reduce your environmental impact and enjoy the beauty of nature without noise and pollution? If so, you need to switch to solar power for your boat. Solar power is the cleanest and most renewable form of energy, and it can save you money and hassle in the long run. But how do you choose the best solar panel for your boat? That's where the EcoFlow 110W solar panel comes in. This is the ultimate solar panel for boaters, as it is lightweight, foldable, durable, and compatible with most power stations. It can charge your devices and appliances on your boat, such as lights, fans, phones, laptops, and cameras. It can also withstand harsh weather conditions such as rain, snow, and wind. And it's easy to set up and store, as it comes with a convenient carry case and kickstand. When it comes to choosing the best solar panel for your boat, there are several factors that you need to consider, such as size, weight, output, and durability. You want a solar panel that is big enough to provide enough power for your needs, but not too big that it takes up too much space or adds too much weight to your boat. You also want a solar panel that has a high output and efficiency, so that you can get the most out of the sun's rays. And you want a solar panel that is durable and reliable, so that it can last for years and withstand the elements. That's why the EcoFlow 110W solar panel is the best choice for boaters. It has a compact size of 20.2 x 16.3 x 0.8 inches when folded, and a lightweight design of 13.2 pounds. It has a high output of 110W and an efficiency of 21 to 22%. And it has a durable design that is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance, and can endure temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees F. One of the best things about boating is that you can explore new places and experience nature in a way that few people can. But traveling off-grid with your boat can also pose some challenges, such as finding a reliable source of power for your comfort and safety. You don't want to run out of battery or rely on noisy generators that can ruin your peace and tranquility. That's why you need the EcoFlow 110W solar panel for your boat. This solar panel can help you power your devices and appliances on your boat, such as lights, fans, phones, laptops, and cameras. It can also charge your power station or battery bank, so that you can have backup power in case of emergencies. And it's easy to use and transport, as it comes with a convenient carry case and kickstand. With the EcoFlow 110W solar panel, you can travel off-grid with your boat and enjoy nature without compromising comfort. If you're looking for a way to save money and protect the environment by switching to solar power for your boat, you're not alone. Many boaters have already made the switch and are enjoying the benefits of using clean and renewable energy. By using solar power for your boat, you can lower your fuel costs, maintenance expenses, and carbon footprint. You can also increase your independence and flexibility, as you don't have to depend on marinas or shore power outlets. And you can have peace of mind knowing that you're doing your part to preserve the planet for future generations. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what some of our happy customers have to say about their experience with the EcoFlow 110W solar panel. They love how easy it is to set up and use, how fast it charges their devices and appliances, how sturdy and durable it is, and how much money they have saved by switching to solar power. So what are you waiting for? If you want to power your boat with clean and renewable energy, save money and protect the environment, and enjoy the best boating experience possible, you need to get the EcoFlow 110W solar panel today. This is the best solar panel for boaters, and it's available at a special price for a limited time only. Click the link below to order yours now, and get ready to enjoy the sun and the sea like never before.